it will be little different than that of the previous one. So you can say that the movement of molecules, solvent molecules, from the region of its higher concentration to the region of its lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Now osmosis is of two types, endosmosis and exosmosis. Endosmosis is the inward movement of solvent molecules, and exosmosis is the outward movement of solvent molecules. That means when solvent molecules move from outside towards the cell, it is endosmosis, and when water molecules move from the cell towards the soil, surrounding soil particles, that is called exosmosis. Now tonicity. Tonicity is the relative concentration between two solutions. Suppose the solution which remains in the soil and the solution which remains inside the cell sap. If the concentration of both the solution is same, it is called isotonic. If the concentration of cell sap is higher than the concentration of surrounding soil, it is called hypertonic. Hypo means more. And if the concentration of cell sap is lower than the concentration of surrounding soil, it is called hypotonic. Hypo means less. So what is tonicity? The relative concentration of the solution that determines the inward or outward direction of diffusion is called tonicity. That means the concentration of solution is very, very important for the movement of molecules. The molecules of substance always move from lower concentration to higher concentration. That is why the definition is given here, the relative concentration of the solution that determines the inward, whether it will move inward direction or outward direction. Outward direction of diffusion is called tonicity. On the basis of tonicity, the solution can be of three types. I have told already: isotonic, hypotonic and hypertonic. Isotonic means when the concentration of both the substances are same, that is called isotonic. And when the concentration of cell sap is higher than the concentration of surrounding soil, it is called hypertonic. And when the surrounding soil concentration is higher than the cell sap, so the cell sap having lower concentration, that is why it is called hypotonic. See the diagram given here. Just see from right hand side. At first hypotonic is given here. Hypotonic means the cell will absorb water, that is why it become swollen or turgid. Fully extended cell is showing here. That is isotonic. Isotonic means the concentration on both sides same, that is why it is the cell is having a normal structure. And the last one, which is given in left hand side, that is hypertonic. Here I think you have noticed that the cell shrunk. That means the cell lost water or release water and get this structure. That means outside soil concentration is higher than the concentration of cell sap. So cell sap remove from the cell, and the structure of cell will be like that. That means the cell will shrunk. So this is hypertonic. So I have already discussed all about tonicity. Now turgidity and flaccidity. Turgidity means when a cell absorbs water, it becomes extended, and when the cell will fully extend by absorbing water and no more water can be absorbed by the cell, the cell is called turgid cell, and the condition is called turgidity. Okay. So what is turgidity? When a cell is fully extended by absorbing water and no more water can be absorbed by the cell, this state is called turgid, and the condition is called turgidity. Now turgor pressure. When the cell absorbs water, a hydrostatic pressure is created in the cell sap. That is why the cell sap push pressure on the wall of the cell wall of the cell. This is called turgor pressure. So the hydrostatic pressure of the cell sap on the wall, on the cell wall is called, on the cell membrane is called turgor pressure. Once again I am repeating, the hydrostatic pressure of the cell sap on the cell wall is called turgor pressure. Then flaccidity. When a cell absorbs water, it becomes turgid. When a cell reduce water or leave water, it becomes flaccid. So flaccidity is reverse to